Today we'll talk about how to turn on Chrome on your Ring app. We'll go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So all you have to do, just go up of this sign, click on it your Ring app. So then it's going to show for your list like this, and you just click here on settings. Then you come to this list here, then you go down here. So then you click here on neighbors settings here, then you come to next step here, then you just go down and you click here on neighborhood settings here, then you come to this list here, then all you have to do, just click here on content settings here, then you come to this list, then you just go down, you come here to Chrome, click in this sign, then like you see this color show for us, that's make Chrome it's on with us now, and you go down, you click here on apply filter, and it's going to turn on with us on your Ring app. That's all. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.